Alright, so here we go, guys. Rocky's gonna come with us. This is Rocky, by the way. So, pretty much what I'm gonna do, it's pretty last minute, because I was gonna do geocaching, but it's gonna get dark soon. Rocky, get over here. Get over here, boy. Like, I hope this doesn't look like dog abuse, but I'm just putting on his harness. Oh, did it wrong. As we speak, I'm doing it wrong. Just gonna put this here. Probably that was wrong, but like, it's gonna get dark soon, so. Just gotta get my flashlight. And I hope my GoPro does not die on me, because I did not charge it. Here we go. GoPros charge is pretty quickly, even though they really shouldn't be that charged. Come on. Come on, Rocky. Rocky, come on. Come on. You do not want to come. Can I just like tether you? Oh. No. No. You're coming with me. Come on. Rocky. That's why we need. That's why I use harnesses, because like pulling like this, I think hurts the neck. I'm pretty sure I've done it wrong. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're going over here. Going over here. Oh god. It's probably gonna die on me. I'll probably have to like come out here like later. Like, if you don't cooperate. I don't know if I could take you down here, Rocky. So I might bring you back inside. Alright. Gotta bring him back inside. Oh. Alright, that's strange. My GoPro did that. Not like this is a 3 a.m. challenge, like, it's just like getting dark. Alright. Firewood? Like, the firewood is always there. It's been there for a while. Oh. Oof. 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 I don't know if I'm gonna go down here. It's got a little like more irksome from the last time I was here. Alright. Oh god, I'm an idiot. I know I'm being an idiot. If you see this, probably didn't do anything. Probably didn't die. You know. I'm confused what I'm gonna do, guys. Okay, I just knew it's just like, what's wrong with like a dead bird over here? So, let's do like something that Logan Paul would do. Alright. So, maybe we'll find a dead bird. Okay, this looks like a safer passage, actually. Until we build, like... Oh. A passage, actually. Until we build, like... Oh. Passage, actually. Until we build, like... Oh. Oh. Crap. That sounded like a coyote. Oh, shit. Crap. That sounded like a coyote. Oh, shit. Well, at least I'll have, like, something better to show you guys. Like, if I see a coyote, and assuming I don't die. John's probably gonna, like, laugh at this video. By the way, check him out. If this is the last thing I say to myself. Oh, that's a little creepy. I've never seen this before. Has this always been here? Well. God bless America. Well, I'm going back to the forest, guys, because I'm a complete idiot. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. This is my maiden call. Woof. 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 Woof, woof, woof. Woof. Woof, woof, woof. My maiden call. This is my maiden call, people. This is my maiden call. We're secured. This is God. He secured us. I think once it gets like to 6, I'll in this video. But I'm not gonna go down because I think I just heard a coyote. And yeah, I did hear like that scuttering. Probably was a squirrel. Hoping it was. Because there's been like a lot of coyote sightings. Like, period. Like, and deer sightings. So maybe we'll see a deer. What are they making in there? Alright. Alright, I will go back that way. Alright, guys. You better leave a like. You better, look at me. You better leave a like. Alright. Oh, woo. I did it, guys. If you want me to go down there, guys, at, like, around this time, maybe, you're gonna have to leave, like, I know this is a lot, like 20 likes, because I value my life. I really do. And, alright. I think that was that over there. That thing I just heard. I guess if you see anything, maybe a coyote, because that's the thing I'm worried about here. Tell me. I'll wrap up the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I think I'm gonna go in now, because and actually leave 15 likes, and I'll come out here when it's actually dark. All right, guys. So I hope you subscribe, For my channel and John's, John VHN, that's his channel. Alright, bye.